Let's look at how to create a consistent character with AI, and it's free without watermark. We are going to use a Grok app. When you click on the app, you click on create video. When you click on create video, then you click on this plus sign beside that place where the light right. When you click on it, you import the picture you want to use for the creation. Then when you import the picture, then you write what you want the picture to say, your video which you are using your picture to create. Then when you write it, you wait for it. If you want to know how to create a realistic photo of yourself, you can check my playlist. You will get it there, and it's a free app that you can able to use to do so. So let's listen to what we have created. So this is it. Then if you want, after creating this, you can use the same picture again and write another thing. This is it. What you are going to do here is also really to wipe out. You can see what I'm doing. Just wipe the first thing you wrote there and write another thing you want it to say. And this is how to create a consistent character with AI, with the same picture and with the same background. So if you want to add a difference both in your background, you drop it there and it will do it for you. Thank you for watching.